Hi friends, this is your Lesson 8 exit ticket. So for these two problems, what I want you to do is first, I want you to draw a math picture in this box, okay? You're going to draw a picture to match this number sentence up here. Then I want you to circle 10, whatever you drew, whether it was circles or dots or stars, circle 10. In your learning video, you should have learned that we are going to make a 10 using 8 today. So we want to figure out what number we need to add to 8 to make 10. So you're going to pull from this other number that is not 8, okay? Just like we did with 9 the other day. Once you've done that, make your number sentence down here with 10 plus whatever was left after you added it to the 8 to get your final whole. Okay, friends, you're going to do that on both of these number sentences. Remember, this one's just written backwards, so if you need to rewrite it, go ahead and do it. This first number right here is going to be your 10 number sentence, just like over here. So it's going to be 10 plus blank equals blank. Remember, if you are still confused, go back and watch the learning video or re-listen to this video.